Can you really make money taking surveys with YouGov? In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually use YouGov and get a payment proof live on this video to show you exactly how it works. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. And if you don't know what YouGov is, then make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to run through it very quickly and show you it's probably the most easiest money you'll ever earn on the internet. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online and I make videos about making money online so that you can actually make money online too. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a site called YouGov, which is available in loads of different countries around the world. And we'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to earn money with YouGov and whether it is worth your while. And also, we will be doing a payment proof live on this video. Okay, so we've come on to the YouGov website here. Obviously, we are on the UK actual system here. And as you can see, you scroll over the UK and it's available in various countries throughout the world. And if your country isn't included in this, then make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. We've got a whole playlist of different survey sites that you could use that are available, and some of them are available worldwide. So back to YouGov, and as you can see here, it is a public opinion site. What I love that's really great about YouGov is that you don't have to actually come onto the actual site itself. You can just download the app and actually do it on your mobile. So this makes it even more easier to actually earn. But I'm going to be showing you a desktop here purely simply because it's going to be easier to actually show you. Now, there's not much to the actual site at all because, like I say, when you actually get your account, you will get notified via email that you have an actual survey available. Now, and with YouGov, although some of them are time restricted, so you have to answer the survey within a specific amount of time, you will always get accepted for the actual survey. You will be able to take the survey and earn the full amount of points. And these points do vary. They vary from 25 to up to about 200 points is probably the maximum that I've done since I've been doing it. And you also get bonus ones as well. So after you've done the survey, they might say, do you want to do another quick survey for a bonus 10 points or something like that? So let's just go into the back of YouGov and sign into the actual site, and you'll be able to show exactly how this works. Now, as you can see at the moment, my points balance is just over 5,000 actual points. Now, so obviously you've got various links here. These are ratings. You can rate different people and your dislikes and likes. Another good way, and this is going to get you more surveys to fill in. This is something you can actually do as well. You can actually earn points from your YouTube viewing history. If you've got Apple TV and you've got Disney Plus, Netflix, all that sort of thing, you can connect these, and it's a way of actually doing even more points very, very easily. And as you can see here, you've got your responses as mine for last month. But if you look at my lifetime performance, and as you can see, I've been doing this about 5 months, okay? I've done 107 surveys, and my response rate is 93. Yes, I have missed a few. There's been a few that I haven't got there in time. I've left it 2 or 3 days. What you want to do as soon as you get the survey through, if you've got 5 or 10 minutes, that's all it takes. You can just click on it and do it in your lunch break or something like that. And as you can see here, this is when I done my review back about 6 months ago. So it's 5-6 months ago that we've done this to find out exactly how it all works. So I went and obviously been testing it for that amount of time. And what I've managed to do, I've managed to go and hit the withdrawal limit, okay, which is 5,000 points. Now, we'll show you very shortly how you can actually go and withdraw that money. And this this 5,000 points equates to £50. That's £50 in pounds sterling. So that equates to about $65, $70 in US money. So that is quite high. I did say on that previous video, it might take me around about sort of 5 or 6 months to actually get to that. So you're not going to be paying out. It's not going to be paying out every month. It will vary from country to country depending on the amount of surveys you will get. But I used to get a survey every couple of days. So let's go and show you exactly how you can easily pull out your £50. So if we click on Select Rewards, as you can see here, so you've got a cash reward £50. So I can redeem this into my bank transfer if I wanted to. Now, there are other ways you can obviously get it, and this will again vary from country to country. So I've got things like an Asda gift card. I've got other gift cards here: Adidas, Airbnb, Amazon Deliveroo, Google Play. So loads of different things here, as you can see, Marks and Spencer's, Morrison, and the list goes on. But I'm going to show you how you can do the bank transfer. So all we do is obviously click on the redeem button here. And then it says, redeem your 5,000 points for £50. The money was sent via bank transfer within the next working day, and barring any issues will be in your account the same day. So we just need to click on redeem again here. And that brings you through to the bank transfer points, and you just need to fill in your details. So you've got your name, address, date of birth. And obviously, if you're doing a bank transfer, you're going to need your sort code and account number. So I'm going to fill that in right now. And that's all there is to it. As you can say here, it says, congratulations, the money is sent via bank transfer and will be with you in the next working day, barring any issues. It will be in your account the same day. And then it says I can go to my account. So I can go back to my account. As you can see, I've now got a balance of 95 points, which will then go towards my next payout. So as you can see, this is really, really simple to do. And I know you're obviously only going to get a couple of payouts per year. Now, there is other ways you can increase the amount of points you can earn is by, if you've got, like I say, some of these different things here, you can obviously connect them and start earning points that way. But for the 5 minutes or so, every 2 or 3 times a week, it really is quite worth it because you're going to get like 100 quid a year out of this, if nothing else. I'm certainly going to carry on doing it because I've got 5 or 10 different apps like this that I use. So this all mounts up, and it gives me probably another £1,000, £1,500 a year that I can spend on whatever I like. It could be an extra holiday or anything like that. So it's not going to make you a full-time income, obviously, but it is going to be good extra money that will help pay for those bills. And especially if people are struggling right now, then this is a good way to do it. And you can also, at the end of this video, check out my whole playlist of apps very similar to this, where you can go and earn small amounts of money every single month. And I earn probably around about $200-300. So it's about, anywhere from 180 to sort of 250, 260 pounds every single month just by doing a few surveys, etc. Trust you found this video useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.